fried green cabbage. It's not your grandmother's boiled cabbage leaves. Shredded green cabbage gets a low-carb upgrade with plenty of butter for flavor and heft. If you can stir over medium heat, you can make this foolproof everyday favorite. Ingredients: 1. 1½ lbs shredded green cabbage. 2. 3 ounces butter. 3. Salt and pepper. Instructions: 1. Melt butter in a frying pan. 2. Sauté the shredded cabbage on medium heat for at least 15 minutes or until the cabbage reaches desired color and consistency. 3. Lower the heat a little towards the end. Stir regularly. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Tip: change up your butter fried cabbage by adding 1 or 2 teaspoons of curry, cumin, a favorite herb, or even a pinch of saffron. Chili, both dried and fresh, is another nice choice, depending on what you are in the mood for and have on hand. If you love green cabbage, raw or fried, consider shredding an entire head, or half of it, at once. Shred in a food processor, and store in a plastic bag or a container with lid in the fridge. It will keep for many days. You can also use red cabbage or pointed cabbage. Have fun!